Hi, brothers and sisters. Just a very quick update here. There's been a major drone strike in northwestern Russia. The news claims that it could have been a false flag. It may have been originated in Russia. Then again, Estonia and Latvia are suspect. The drone could have been flown from those two countries. The main thing here is that Russia has enacted a new nuclear first strike doctrine that stipulates that if it is ever attacked, if its nation is ever threatened, either by nuclear missile or by conventional weapons, that it has a right to retaliate with nuclear weapons. What does that mean for us? Well, according to all the dreams that include missiles flying in the air, the Rapture dreams that are cataloged in my website, rapturedreams.com. When the missiles start to fly in the air, that is when the rapture happens. And I pray that we may be ready for that moment should it happen. It could happen sooner than we expect. It could happen at a later date when more missiles are flying in the air. It could happen after missiles detonate in various cities, whether in Europe or in the United States or who knows where. But I hate to sound like an announcer here, like a talking head. Um, what's important is that we have our heart right, that we have abandoned all sin, that we have committed our life to the Lord, and that we love Him with all our heart, mind, soul, and strength, and that we love our neighbor as ourselves. That's the only message I can keep on repeating here. Um, that's what the Lord wants us to know, is that, where your treasure is, there will your heart be also. And my treasure is definitely not down here in this world. There's nothing I want from this world. Nothing. Okay. God bless you all.